Like if God had wrote the Bible, this is straight from the mouth of the person who made these verses. Can't change the words on this album. I'm loading my gun while reading 48 laws of power. That rapper that taught you how to acknowledge the higher power. Not eating bullshit they feed us, I duck it like Robert Townsend. I'm the son that he's proud of, that's linking you like a browser. They beat you, therefore you coward. Slave owners is who you bow to. I'm on a whole nother level, Vegeta gon' need a scouter. I am not hottest out here, don't need no label to voucher. I'm wilder than Rock Wilders, that's high off that gunpowder. Came from the dirt like a flower, fuck nigga, don't ever doubt us. My regulators gon' mount up and wet you up like a shower. Fly high as the Lord allow us, while keeping fuck shit from round us. The flyest killers you know, like them pilots to Twin Towers. I'm getting guala, I'm getting hotter, my future's blazing. The lava flowing, I got it going, I'm too impatient. I'm cold as hell like I'm cool with Satan, I'm too amazing. I've been in my glow like a Super Saiyan, you used to hating. Forever hustling, might catch me in heaven selling spirits. If you saw my bitch, you swear there's an angel in heaven missing. Bars so hot, you would think I sat in the devil's prison. They say Jesus coming, I'm starting to think that he'll never visit. If you are listening, you are witnessing exorcism. The best description is heaven sent them, he's blessed with rhythm. Father to my sons, I could never be no deadbeat. And still saluting pops, cause I never forgot who fed me. Pain is what prepared me, struggle ain't never scared me. Beef with anybody, I love my nigga, you dead meat. And I don't mean to brag, but pardon me like the Red Sea. And I ain't grocery shopping, but I'll be where the bread be. I got this rap shit on lock, that's why they dread me. Ask Satan who he fear most of all, and that nigga said me. Bitch, I'm so motherfucking cold, I can summon souls. And I can make the summer cold, flow go dumb as cold. I get more money on the road than the fucking toll. Like strippers catch me with that dough in the fucking pole. Sliding on them like debit, I'm trained to shoot like I'm Reddick. I'll lay you down like some edges and show you pussies what wet is. I've studied you, did my research, learned how you work like a medic. Come out the cut with that chopper, I take shit out when I edit. I'll shoot your ass like a movie and then I'll roll like the credits. I put in work on my own, bitch, my middle name Calisthenics. I remember when I was starving, remember when I was broke, remember hating that feeling, didn't wanna feel it no more. I remember bagging up dope and selling it like a boat, wasn't worried about getting poked, had Nina under my coat. Remember when y'all was sleeping, remember when I was woke, I was up perfecting my flow. Now I'm getting bread by the loaf, the same ones that used to divide us, edit Bibles to blind us, beat us, killed and deprived us, and we gon' let them guide us. Their best disguise is a book, you know they demise us. You wanna rise up, nigga, you better wise up. You seek for God like he's hiding, but he's inside us. Wakes us up every day, but you still ain't opened your eyes up. I can provide the truth for you, even provide the proof for you. Stupid fucks ain't gon' get it, you stick with who tied the noose for us. The same ones who tied that knot and put that rope up. Been telling lies to get the common people's hopes up. And everything that they printed, you chose to soak up. The joke's up, they ain't fear us until we woke up. My 40 on me plus God with me, I ain't alone. Yes, I'm the nigga they hated on, heart made of stone. They came a long way taking losses but staying strong. Said I would make it but they was wrong, my paper long. Picasso any canvas I ever painted on. They play my songs and debate upon my greatest poems. Mad that the kids can sing along, I'm breaking bones. Their faith is gone, they wish they was on like Game of Thrones. Can't chill with fake man, I'd rather spend all my days alone. I see more snakes than Medusa, therefore my face is stone. And you know God is not the author of confusion. Do you really rock with God or were you bribed with an illusion? Hoping at the pearly gates he'll pick you out when he's choosing, that your chances isn't ruined by the sinning you've been doing. As soon as that karma set in, forgive me Father, I'm begging. I'm thankful for all my blessings and instantly start confessing. You need to be taught a lesson. See, I was charged with possession, I mentally store artillery. Every thought is a weapon, I'm prepping for Armageddon, curing the narcoleptic. I'm just giving my gift, so I wrap my past with my present. I'm spitting bars with a message, not here to spar with you, Reverend. Hey, I ain't going against God, cause I came across him with questions. Yeah, I can make you pause for a second. Hell, I don't wanna go if my loved ones ain't all in heaven. God